In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert HTML to PDF using Adobe Acrobat, a handy tool that's perfect if you're looking to preserve the format and style of a web page. It's an excellent method for creating backups of important online information or simply converting content for offline use. Let's dive in and I'll guide you through each step of the process, explaining every detail so you get the most out of this tutorial. First, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat. Once you're in, navigate to the All Tools tab. This is where you'll discover a variety of functionalities that Adobe offers, making it a versatile program for all your PDF needs. The option you're looking for is Create a PDF. This choice is your gateway to converting different types of files, including HTML. Once you click on Create a PDF, look for and select Web Page. Adobe Acrobat gives you various options, but for our purpose today, you'll want to make sure you're pulling content directly from the web. This is essential when you want to capture an online page in all its glory, retaining both its visual appeal and information layout. Next up, you'll be prompted to enter the URL of the web page you want to convert. Adobe gives you the flexibility of either pasting a URL or uploading an HTML file from your computer. For this tutorial, we'll focus on entering a URL, which simplifies capturing content from an active web page. Paste the URL into the specified field. This step makes it possible for Adobe to fetch the data directly from the internet, ensuring your final document is as accurate as possible. If you're looking to capture more than just the main page, Adobe Acrobat has a neat feature called Capture Multiple Levels. This option allows you to include linked content, which could be beneficial if the web page contains expansive links you want to cover in your PDF. It's not necessary, but it can be quite useful for more comprehensive projects. Now that you've set everything up, it's time to hit the Create button. This action initiates the conversion process, turning the digital web page into a tangible PDF document. You'll notice a progress bar or some form of indication that your conversion is in progress. This might take a moment or two depending on the complexity and size of the web page you're working with, so patience here is key. Finally, once the process is complete, you'll have your web page beautifully converted into a PDF format, ready to use as you see fit. Whether it's for archiving, distribution, or any other purpose, you now have a static version of the web page right at your fingertips. That's it for today's tutorial on converting HTML to PDF using Adobe Acrobat. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Be sure to explore the many features Adobe Acrobat offers for optimizing and editing your PDFs. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for more helpful tips and tutorials.